Hanboost S1 electric cordless rotary tool is a powerful and versatile device, perfect for diverse DIY tasks. Notably cordless, it provides mobility without the constraint of power outlets. Designed to be dust-proof, it ensures longevity by keeping the motor clean. Ideal for both die enthusiasts and professionals, the Hanboost S1 allows grinding, cutting, engraving, rust removal, and even crafting custom jewelry, achieving up to 5-speed RPM. It comes equipped with several attachments for grinding, sanding, polishing, cutting, and engraving. Its long-lasting battery means longer work sessions between charges. It boasts 5 speed settings, catering to various tasks, and its compact, lightweight nature ensures ease of storage and transport. The HomeRight Quick Finish Paint Sprayer is an HIVLP device tailored for smaller projects like furniture and craft. Its design ensures an easy-to-achieve smooth finish, setting it apart from traditional sprayers. Features include an adjustable spray pattern horizontal, vertical, or round, flow control for paint output, and lock-and-go technology for easy paint swaps. With an 800 ml container, it holds ample paint for small tasks. Ideal for DIYers aiming for a polished look and professionals needing a compact sprayer, it offers numerous benefits. These include its ease of use, paint-saving HIVLP, technology, and flow control. However, it's less potent than some airless sprayers and can be messy if mishandled. The Strong Hand Tools Gas Grabber is designed specifically for the safe lifting and transportation of gas cylinders. Equipped with dual handles for easy grip and 8-point cylinder contact pads, it ensures a tight and secure hold on the cylinder. The scissor action handles are a unique feature that engages automatically when lifting. Built for cylinders ranging from 5 inches to 9 inches in diameter, it is crafted from robust steel, emphasizing both safety and longevity. This tool is invaluable for professionals working with gas cylinders, offering an efficient, easy, and safe method of handling them. For optimal safety, users should don protective eyewear, avoid lifting leaking cylinders, ensure cylinders are securely held before lifting, and never lift a cylinder by its valve. The Populo handheld electric drain cleaner is an essential tool for homeowners dealing with stubborn drain clogs. This corded device boasts a flexible 23-foot cable, ensuring reachability into most blockages. Its variable speed control lets you tackle clogs at your preferred pace, while the integrated LED light illuminates dark spaces for clear visibility. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, it doesn't demand expert skills to operate. When using the Populo, always start with the power off. Gently maneuver the cable, and after unclogging, flush with water. For severe blockages, chemical drain cleaners may be used alongside, but ensure safety precautions are observed. The REFCO Hydraulic Expander is a pivotal tool for professionals dealing with copper or aluminum pipes in sectors like plumbing, air conditioning, and refrigeration. This tool comprises a handheld pump, hydraulic cylinder, and interchangeable expander heads that cater to varying pipe diameters. Its operation involves selecting the right expander head, securing it into the pipe's end, and manually pumping until the desired expansion is reached. Notable features include its hydraulic mechanism for consistent expansions, the adaptability of its expander heads, its portability and straightforward usage, suitable for both novices and experts. The American MUTT Tools 12-in-1 ratcheting flexible screwdriver stands out as an indispensable tool suitable for varied tasks, from tightening screws to prying objects. This versatile screwdriver boasts a 12-in-1 bit set conveniently stored in the handle, covering Phillips, flathead, and Torx bits. Its unique ratcheting mechanism ensures rapid screw adjustments while preventing slips, especially in tight confines. One of its standout features is its flexible shaft, enabling users to access tricky spots or navigate around corners. Durability is a given, thanks to its robust construction, and its ergonomic design ensures user comfort. Sauter's gluing clamps stand out for their superior quality, ensuring a tight and uniform clamping force vital for woodworking. Crafted from top-grade materials, these clamps come in multiple sizes and designs, catering to diverse woodworking requirements. Notable features include their parallel clamping surfaces, which guarantee evenly held workpieces, minimizing warping. Their adaptable clamping force lets users tune pressure according to the project. Built to endure, the clamps resist the typical wear and tear of woodworking, with ergonomically designed handles for comfortable usage, even under substantial force. Given their unmatched quality and functionality, it's no wonder Sauter's clamps are favored by woodworkers, making them a wise choice for stellar woodworking outcomes. The RIDGID 1224 threading machine is an indispensable tool for professionals in the plumbing and pipe fitting sectors. This portable and lightweight machine can thread pipes ranging from 1/4 inches to 2 inches in diameter. Equipped with a 2-speed gearbox and a built-in oiler, it ensures smooth operation and precise results. The machine also boasts a reversible motor and universal die head, catering to both right-handed and left-handed threads. Safety features, including a foot pedal control and emergency stop function, make it reliable and user-friendly. With durable construction and backed by a RIDGID lifetime warranty, it's a valuable investment for any tradesperson. The Estwing Pro Claw Nail Puller is a robust tool tailored for professionals. Crafted with a heat-treated forged steel head, it offers durability and strength. Its 2 angled and serrated claws are designed for optimal leverage and grip when pulling nails. Designed for multi-purpose use, it can tackle tasks like prying objects or bending metal, beyond just nail pulling. Its ergonomic design features a rubber grip that minimizes vibrations, ensuring user comfort, and a lanyard hole for easy attachment. While it's a valuable tool offering good value for its price, safety is paramount. Always wear glasses and ensure nails are properly seated before pulling them. Avoid using it near material edges or as a pry bar to ensure safety. Strong hand tools, sheet metal magnets are invaluable aids for tasks requiring precise metal alignment. Consisting of 2 potent rare earth magnets, they securely grip sheet metal for various operations like cutting, welding, painting, or assembly. Designed for both professional and die use, these magnets prioritize the material's integrity with a protective rubberized coating, preventing any surface damage. The ergonomic handle ensures user comfort, and they are conveniently packaged as a pair. Their impressive features, coupled with a reasonable price, make them a worthwhile investment. However, user safety is paramount. The Fetra plate roller with clamping jaws is an indispensable tool for forming sheet metal into cylindrical shapes, offering both professionals and DI enthusiasts a precise and efficient solution. With its adjustable rollers, it can cater to various sheet metal widths, and the clamping jaws ensure the material stays in position during the rolling process. From crafting cans to shaping cones and tubes, its versatility makes it invaluable for many projects. While using this tool, prioritize safety. Always wear protective eyewear. Ensure the metal is securely clamped. Avoid excessive bending, which might damage the material, and lubricate rollers to maintain smooth operation. Adhering to these guidelines guarantees a safe and efficient metal bending experience. The Draper 12-volt battery charger maintainer is an essential tool for those needing reliable 6-volt and 12-volt lead acid battery maintenance. With its advanced 10-step charging process, it ensures optimal charging and safeguards against overcharging. Its unique battery maintainer mode prolongs battery life during non-use. LED indicators provide real-time charging updates, and an automatic shutoff ensures safety upon full charge. Lightweight and portable, this Draper tool offers great value, combining efficiency with user convenience. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.